This video is an overview of the Device42 Appliance Manager. You can access the Appliance Manager at the Device42 login screen or from within the Device42 appliance by navigating to the Tools menu and selecting the Appliance Manager option. Once you're logged into the Appliance Manager, you'll see a few options on the left. The Backup menu has some submenus to allow you to manage your backup settings. You can set a passphrase. This allows you to encrypt your backups so they can be stored securely. The Backup Now option allows you to run ad hoc backups whenever you'd like. When you're doing the backup, you could also select to backup metadata, SSH keys, audit data, or system configuration information. Clicking Run will give you an encrypted zip file to download. Under the backup settings, you can specify naming prefixes as well as email addresses for failure and success notifications upon scheduled backups. The mail server options allow you to configure a mail server for backups to be sent to, as well as the notification emails. The SFTP, NFS, and S3 options all allow you to specify additional Device42 backup targets. Under the Backup Schedule menu, you'll be able to create and maintain your backups. You could send multiple backups to different locations on a daily basis. Finally, the Restore option will allow you to restore your Device42 backup files to your Device42 instance. Under the Application menu, we'll see some additional options. We can update the Device42 software by uploading a downloaded Device42 update file to the main appliance. You can also restart the application. This will allow you to restart the system services without rebooting the whole virtual appliance. The Generate Log Bundle option will be requested by support. This is used to help troubleshoot issues with discovering data or managing your Device42 instance. The Clear System Logs section and Optimize section are typically not used unless requested by support staff. These both help clear out some Device42 file system space. The Generate IPMI output and Generate SNMP output menu options will allow you to run SNMP or IPMI collections from the Device42 main appliance or one of the remote collectors. This is used to produce SNMP data or IPM data that Device42 can use to develop custom support for any specific devices. Under the global settings, we'll see some options for your Device42 appliance. You can set logout times, set the host name for the web console, and also set HTTP access, whether you'd like to enable or disable it. The TLS version options allow you to configure the available TLS settings for Device42. If you have your own HTTPS certificate that you would like to upload, you could do that through the Import HTTPS Certificate menu. This will allow you to choose a cert file and key file, and if there's a passphrase for the certificate, specify it there. If you need a proxy, you can specify your proxy settings in the Device42 Appliance Manager here as well. The locale settings will allow you to specify a language file to use. And under the Appliance Manager SSL setting, you could enable or disable HTTPS access for the Appliance Manager itself. If your organization uses SAML 2.0 for single sign-on, you can specify the SAML 2.0 provider here. The Appliance Mode allows you to set the Device42 main appliance in and out of standby mode. This is used for our warm HA capabilities if you would like to perform scheduled restores to your Device42 appliance. When the Device42 appliance is in standby mode, you'll be able to schedule restores and choose the backup location to run the restore from. Finally, the System menu option shows some statistical information about resource utilization on your Device42 appliance. You could also set the host name for the virtual appliance and perform connectivity tests. The connectivity tests are helpful for identifying connectivity issues from the main appliance to any of the targets that are being discovered. You could attempt pings, SNMP connectivities, or netcat if you want to specify a particular port to attempt connecting to. You could also run a trace route to see if we could successfully connect to any endpoint. Finally, if your team would like to use Syslog, Nginx Syslog configuration can be set up in the system submenu as well.